Yes, we have kickoff in this final round of 16 tie of the day. We have 4 more in store for you tomorrow. Habib Public School in blue versus the Concept School in yellow and black. The Concept School, a very interesting story, participating in KUSC for the very first time and on their first attempt making it out of the group stages. While Habib Public School is a group of kids mostly made up of O-level kids. The Concept School are also unfortunately without their captain, who was suspended after 2 yellow cards. Sunil, the player sitting in the stands watching his teammates. Faisal Nabi, the number 10, has taken his place along with Minhaj, leading their teams. Here is Dilawar, the opposition captain of Habib Public School. These O-level kids who've done enormously well. Finalists in 2022, losing out to Wales College on that occasion. Habib have made it to the round of 16 for the first time since then. Early opportunity for Ayan, the number 14. Yes, Habib looking to keep possession. Here they come down the right hand side. Really good dribble to get past the left back. Another one. Does he have the final product? It's a good delivery, but the defender clears it away. There you see an aerial view, and that's the starting 11 for Habib Public. Hasnain Ahmad Awan, Zain Ali, Zayan Wasim, Mohammad Saad, Murtaza, Mudassir Ali, Mohammad Hamza, Ibad, Mesam Abbas, Hanzala, and Dilawar Humayun, the captain. Habib Public will be putting most of their hopes on the captain and vice captain Hamza Saeed, the number 10, taking that corner kick, along with Dilawar Humayun, the number 7. A really good achievement for both these schools, making it to the round of 16. The Concept School, especially in their very first try, in their debut in this tournament. Habib Public School, especially because they're most of them are a bunch of O-level kids, I believe. It'll be very interesting to see. Here we see the Concept School team. Shayan in goal, Minhaj, Ali Rahmat, Hussain Ali Shah, Sajid Ali, Shahid Kareem, Faisal Nabi, Muiz Alam, Atif Majid, Faizan Kareem, and Farhadullah Beg. Hamza, the vice captain, conceding a foul, pushing the Concept School midfielder in the back. It's a good delivery, very deep, but the goalkeeper is there to collect. Habib with the player down, who's now back up and ready to take the free kick himself. Here we go, an opportunity perhaps, but not gathered it well enough. Aerial battles so far in the first 5-6 minutes. Both teams looking to go the aerial route, as is more often than not the case at this level, high school, colleges. Goal kick for Habib. Habib Public School in all blue with white socks, while the Concept School competing in the black and yellow. It's a really good play. The referee has player advantage, but that was a rough challenge on the Habib Public defender, and that was another Dilawar Humayun taken down. Hamza Saeed with the free kick. It's towards the far post. Habib number 9 fails to gather.
पहला बाल मार मार जबरदस्त ला जबरदस्त बोल कर हेड में निकल जा
Oh, and that's a collision in the box. Referee waves play on. Shouts for penalty for the Concept School. Here's Hamza on the left wing. Looking for options. Plays it inside. Good pass for Ayan. Ayan looking for the number 9. That's a very deep corner. The goalkeeper was the target. Testing the goalkeeper, and it's another corner now on the other side for Habib. Ibadullah Khan standing on top of the ball, towards the
हुसैन
near
चढ़ा वो।
post.
जिंदाबाद ला, हटे हटे बीरो। अरे जिंदाबाद ला।
Concept School with the throw in deep in Habib School territory.
शॉट कर यार, नहीं कर यार, उधर कौन करना?
And that's a rash challenge, conceding a free kick. Good piece of trickery by Atif Majid, the Concept School number 3. It's Faizan Kareem ready to take this. Aims for the far post, but is just over the goal.
हाँ, इसको देख अली रहमान।
Hasnain Ahmed, the Habib goalkeeper, passing off the goal kick responsibilities. Here come Habib again. Hamza Saeed. Really good chip pass over the top, looking for his captain, Dilawar Humayun. Dilawar delivers a good cross. Getting in each other's way. Ibad.
संजीव क्या कर रहा है?
Ibad and Khizr getting in each other's way. That's a really good cross, and that's the first goal. The pressure has told. Misam Abbas has put Habib in front in this final round of 16 tie of today. Misam Abbas with the goal. The Habib Public School number 9. Habib started stronger. They're keeping possession well. Looking to play the ball on the ground. Here they come again. Here's the goal scorer. There's too many around him. And the O-level boys have taken the lead against the first-time debutants. The Habib School captain Dilawar Humayun receiving treatment. The Concept School ready to take a free kick deep inside their own territory. Launching it into Habib towards the Habib penalty area. But really good defensive star. Hamza Saeed gets it away. Back to Misam Abbas. He tries a shot with his outfoot. It slowly trickles away far off the far post. Speaking of the Concept School, they are coached by their owner, in fact, Naveed. First timers at KUSC. reaching the round of 16 for the very first time.
हेड पे चढ़ जा
A great achievement in itself. Habib Public School, on the other hand, are being coached by the very experienced, under the very experienced coaching of Mohammad Yasin, a former Pakistan national team player from 1994 to 2000, a former Pakistan Special Olympics team coach as well, going with them to the World Olympics in 2019 and 2023. 13 years coaching experience. So a lot of pedigree on the Habib school bench.
उल्टे पास पहला बॉल ये हालत है पहला बॉल अंदर मारना
There we see a replay of the slip by the Habib player, conceding a throw-in.
अब उल्टे ला फैसल पहला बॉल मार यार
Habib are doing the simple things well after taking the lead, but that was not well advised.
अच्छा सुशांत जी का हेड है जिला चला वो जिंदाबाद ला
The Concept School looked rattled after conceding the first goal. They were doing well. They created some chances before the goal. But ever since the goal, it's been all about Habib School's pressure.
मेन करो भागते भागते अब वो शायद खुद मारे यार शूट याली रहमत मारे दोनों ज्यादा है
Again, it's Faizan Kareem taking the goal kicks ahead of his goalkeeper,
स्लाइड दिलाते के स्लाइड हुसैन चला वो
Shayan.
ये हां शाबाश
But here come Habib again. The goal kicks are not making much of a difference again. Meesam looking to shoot rather than play in a player in better position.
चढ़ जा बिनहाल वाह हुसैन बाबा
Minhaj, the vice captain for Concept School, down and appealing for a penalty. Referee waving play on. There we see the Habib Public School, the bench in the background on the right hand side.
ये देखो उसका मेन ले रहा है बाकी दर्शक देख रहे
Here's the vice captain Hamza Saeed in possession, lifting the ball forward, falls to Meesam, the goal scorer, takes a shot, but always going wide. Again, a poor free kick. More than once,
देख रहा है यार शायद
Concept School have given the ball away like this.
अला पहला बाल शूट है कटाने यार शूट है हुसैन ये ये लड़कियों का संग
Dilawar Humayun. So Meesam Abbas wriggling away.
फैजान
The front three of Hamza Saeed, Meesam Abbas and Dilawar Humayun need to connect more. Far post corner headed back. Opportunity for Habib, but the referee blows for a foul by Meesam, the number 9.
थोड़ा ऊपर निकाला ना होता है सतीश
Faizan Kareem again looking to take this goal kick, this free kick. This time he does manage to get some distance on it. Opportunity perhaps for Minhaj. Good attempt from a bad angle. There you see a replay of that effort from Minhaj. Here come Habib again. Lovely play down the right. Can he get a good ball in? Looks for support.
शॉट चला अला अली रहमत अपना मैच
Opportunity to shoot perhaps. He goes for it, but it sails well over the top. Ibadullah Khan, the player with the effort. Left-footed midfielder for Habib, number 11.
धक्का दिया
There was a push in the back of the Concept School midfielder. Foul given in favor of the Concept School. Free kick chipped in, looking for the runners,
मैंने की मैंने जुड़ा
straight into the hands of Hasnain Ahmed, the Habib goalkeeper. Again, really good work down the right hand side by Habib. Mohammad Anzala on the right wing, having a really good game up till now, combining well with Ibad.
हेडर चिखाला ये देखिए इसकी हालत देखिए
Oh, and that's a slip, almost a costly mistake at the back. Now looking for his captain, Dilawar. Can he get there first? He can, but it's extremely bad touch from the captain. He did the hard part, got there, but then a very poor touch.
उसे फातुमेन फरने से शॉट के पास अरुण बिला आतिफ मैन रोका
Opportunity perhaps, long ball again, letting it bounce. The keeper showing good handling though.
हुसैन चढ़ा वो हेडर
Again, another long ball.
बोला
Players keep letting the ball bounce. Minhaj with another ambitious attempt.
हुसैन फातुमेन ने केजवा अगर डी में जैसे हुसैन अरुण का सेंटर दे
And a poor free kick. Giving the ball away, now losing possession.
अला बार मशोवाला गट चला ये हालत देख साला के हुसैन निखा रुई खा
Ayan showing quick feet, turning away from danger, turning towards space.
अला मुइस बॉडी दला सदाकत
Pass.
बिला रो
Ibadullah cutting inside, not looking to pass.
बोला रो मिन हाय चला बोला हुसैन
And that was a ambitious effort again from a difficult angle to say the least. Here comes Hamza Saeed, held off by the captain Faisal Nabi.
मुइस थे बालन टे
The two number 10s tussling with each other.
चला मार यार गर्दन नीचे यूं
Atif Majid looking for the flick on and then chipped back in by Ali. Goalkeeper throwing it out. Hasnain Ahmed.
मार मार अंदर मार
Opportunity again for the concept school, but these are half chances. They aren't really creating any high quality chances for the strikers.
सही सही नो हां हालत पे हालत
And a very poor throw leading to a foul throw call by the ref.
तो मेन रखे फैसल अरे बोला मिनहाज सेंटर
You can see what the social bond substitute, the concept school substitutes think about it. The captain of Habib is down in need of treatment. Dilaver Humayun.
अच्छा मैं मीडियम लिख रहा था फिर अगर सोच में अगर मैं लार्ज बुक दे आओ
Hamza Saeed standing over the ball, ready to launch another ball deep towards the concept school goal. He does just that. And the defender is equal to it. Heading it away for a corner. Faizan Kareem. There's another corner kick near post. Back out towards Hamza. Cuts inside. Chips one to the far post. Keeper comes out. Doesn't gather. Here's Ibadullah Khan trying to retrieve the ball. Keeps it in. He does. He doesn't. The linesman has given a throw in to the concept school.
नवीद सर थोड़ा उनको सुनाओ सर पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं क्यों कि सर बीच पीछे कर रहे हैं
There's a good low cross in, but defended well. Good tussle on that wide side. Here comes Misam now. Checks back, looks to play in a teammate, but Concept School gathered the ball again. But played straight back, right back out of possession. Neither team really able to gain a foothold in possession. Neither team really dominating proceedings as it stands. Here come the Concept School. Atif Majid tries a shot, but it's weak and straight into the hands of Hasnain. Hasnain launches a throw forward, looking for his left back, Saad.
हालात पट्टी से
पट्टी रखे अलग का अटी हिन्ना अटी परस सिब्रे सिब्रे फुकिया तक बूट बन जा पे एक्स्ट्रा में पूरा शनान
आन से ब्रेथ था
Score still goalless. Even though we don't have the match score on screen. Sorry, score of course still 1-0 to Habib Public School. Misam Abbas, the goal scorer.
मोजे बंदान में रुको
Dapat terbuat di jalan. Dapat jalan. Kami bina sebadan nama Shua. Pela kami ke dua tam bina sebadan dapat jalan. Aku cari baik. Kalau Ali Hamna.
Another ball out of play. Habib with the throw in. And that is another high foul on Dilawar Humayun. He's been on the receiving end a lot of tackles like this in the first 27 minutes. Here's Hamza Saeed again retrieving the ball on the left hand side. Passes it infield towards Saad. Ayan. Back to Saad. Back to the vice captain Hamza. Hamza trying to take one player too many on. Here's Faisal Nabi, the captain, nipping in ahead of Hamza. A good ball in. Chance perhaps. Mahasnain claims it as his own. And winning the 50-50 in midfield. Driving forward, looking to find his captain. He does just that. Dilawar, very good first touch. Low ball in. Keeper makes a mess of it, but the defender bails him out. Faisal Nabi trying to keep possession. Ayan with the pressure. And he has his hands, Faisal has his hands all over Ayan. And eventually, of course, concedes the free kick. Habib with another opportunity to launch the ball into the Concept School's penalty area. Here's Ayan again. He's taking on all comers, and Atif Majid this time with the crude foul. Very physical, not in the best way. Very physical style of play from the Concept School thus far. Lots of Habib players have gone to the ground. Here's Dilawar Humayun, the captain. Is he gonna go direct? He just that, just a little over the crossbar. Habib need to wrap things up. We saw what happens when you get complacent on a lead in the previous game. Alpha College making a comeback for the ages. Really good through ball, and he gets there first, and that will be the second goal. The goalkeeper looked to be the favorite. But Mohammad Anzala never gave up. And Habib Public School doubled their lead. Misam Abbas with the first, Mohammad Anzala with the second. There you see, toe poke finished. Goalkeeper was nowhere, didn't make any effort to go down on the ground. Here's a direct shot from kickoff. It goes straight into the hands of Hasnain, the Habib goalkeeper. He plays it out to his left back. Ball given away again cheaply. Misam plays it out wide to Dilawar Humayun, skips past one defender. This could get bad for the Concept School if they get their heads down. And a really good tackle. Oh, that looked like a fair tackle from Ayan. Referee blows for a foul. And there's a good first touch. Can he repeat his goal? But the answer is no. Habib Public School doing the simple things very well. Then the captain Dilawar taking a huge risk, getting away with it due to a handball. Trying to play a crossfield pass, giving away possession. Here's Hamza again on the left hand side. He's found himself in a lot of space, showing very high IQ to create space for himself constantly, always on the move, and that's a really nice pass towards Ayan. It's a good, decent cross, but just a bit too close to the goalkeeper who gathers. The Concept School have in fact made an early substitution. I think for the first time in the round of 16 we've seen a substitution in the first half. Uwais Ali Shah, the number 8, has come on. Here he is, the substitute. Referee plays advantage after that challenge. Atif Majid tries to nip in. Opportunity for Sajid Ali. But Hasnain is first to it and then he plays it out. Here is Dilawar. Here come Habib again, looking for Anzala. Just a bit too much on it. Bit of miscommunication at the back, but no harm done. Hasnain gathers. Habib comfortable in possession. Saad, the left back. Hamza Saeed showing him where to pass to his captain Dilawar. Dilawar playing with a face mask on, perhaps due to a facial injury in the past. Here he is in possession, skips away delightfully from one defender. Really good ball, but just a little too much on it on the far side. Both Ibadullah and Hanzala couldn't get to the end of it. Here they come. Here's Misam Abbas. Chance for the third. One too many touches. Not taking shots. And that is a cracking goal. Hamza Saeed has lit up this match with the goal of the game. Terrific effort to make the scoreline comfortable for Habib. 3-0. Have a look at this. We thought the chance was gone when Misam took one too many touches. It fell to Hamza. One touch, one to get out of his feet, and then bam. No keeper in the world is stopping that. That is well into the top corner. Absolutely amazing goal. Hamza Saeed, the Habib Public School goal scorer. Habib again playing out from the back, trying to keep it simple. Ayan, Hamza. As soon as the ball bounces up, it allows an opportunity to the opposition to close down and press. That Hamza Saeed goal has to be seen again. Absolutely terrific strike. We will try to get you another replay of Hamza Saeed's goal when the ball goes out of play. Again, allowing the ball to bounce in the penalty area, always a very dangerous thing. Referees play on. Habib player had given up on the ball. An opportunity, but the shot is just over the crossbar. I think that's the goalkeeper's mistake. You need to be taking command of the penalty area, coming out and collecting. From the defender's perspective, you cannot let the ball bounce like that.
हाँ वे हाँ ये उधर नहीं अंदर देख देख ये वो है पेंट इसके अंदर नहीं वो बड़े दिख के अंदर
And that is also half time in this final round of 16 fixture for today. Habib Public School with 3 unanswered goals past the Concept School. Misa Mombas opening the scoring, Mohammad Hanzala with the second, and then a terrific long range stunner from Hamza Saeed. There you see confirmation of the halftime score. Habib Public School 3, the Concept School 0. Join us after the break for the second half in just a few minutes.
Active रहो, rewards जीतो, only on the Jubilee Active app.
Activate yourself.
Download the Jubilee Active app now. अपने सोए सेल्फ को जगाओ.
Watch all the exciting Premier League matches only on Myco, where fans win big. Download and subscribe now. Myco.
Download the Jubilee Active app now. अपने सोए सेल्फ को जगाओ.
Active रहो, rewards जीतो, only on the Jubilee Active app.
Activate yourself.
Stream it on Myco, stream it on Myco.
Yes, we are moments away from the resumption of the second half of this final round of 16 tie for today. Habib Public School 3 goals in the lead versus the Concept School. Concept School making their KUSC debuts. A round of 16 finish would be nothing to be ashamed of. They've performed admirably in the group stages. Habib, of course, topping the group ahead of Alpha College, who we saw spectacularly, miraculously making a comeback. 3-0 down at halftime, 3-3 at full time, and then taking the game on penalties thanks to 2 saves from the goalkeeper Musab Khan. And now it is over to the Concept School. Can they replicate what Alpha has done in the third game? Can they score 3 goals in the second half? We think it's unlikely, but crazier things have happened in football. Here we go, and as with most things, a kickoff here starts with a shot, which is tamely into the hands of Hasnain, the Habib goalkeeper. Habib, coached by Mohammad Yasin, a former Pakistan national team player between 1994 and 2000. Very, very experienced, a former Pakistan Special Olympics team coach as well. Here's Hanzala, the scorer of the second goal. Running down the right wing, needing support from Murtaza. That's a really good cross. Unable to take advantage is the Habib captain Dilawar Humayun. The goalkeeper fumbled it. Here come the Concept School looking to rebuild. They need to get the first goal of the second half. We said this about Alpha as well. Alpha delivered. Here's Murtaza for Habib. Finds Hanzala, who nutmegs his opposite player. Throw in for the Concept School deep inside their own territory, and the referee has called it a foul throw. Again, the Concept School looking to make something out of these long balls, hoping that it falls to someone's feet. Atif Majid now trying to bring it inside. The referee has agreed that this is a free kick right on the edge of the Habib area. This is a golden opportunity for the Concept School to get one goal back. Minhaj is standing over it. Minhaj Kamal, the number 7. He smashes it straight into the wall. Here come the Concept School again, but it's out for a goal kick this time. In fact, the referee has said there was a touch and it will be a corner for the Concept School. Outswinging delivery. It's a chance. It's a golden opportunity. They won't get any better than that. Atif Majid has blazed it well over. You will see in the replay how golden of an opportunity this was. This was their moment to get the first goal of the second half. I'm sure in a few seconds we will show you the replay of that missed opportunity for the Concept School. But here come Habib on the other end, arms all over Dilawar Humayun, and the referee does agree. The Concept School have really been guilty of this overly physical play, hands and arms all over the opposition midfielders and attackers. Before this free kick, let's have a look at this missed opportunity. Golden chance for Atif Majid. There you see, completely unmarked and blazing his shot well over the bar. Now Ibadullah Khan with his left foot looking to create an angle for the shot. He does that. It's just over and it's hit the crossbar. Really good try by Ibad. Goalkeeper Shayan had no clue where the ball was. Here come Habib again, looking to rebuild and build through the middle. Ibad, Ayan. Here's a replay of that terrific free kick which came back off the crossbar. Even the laborer behind the goal, putting cement on the building, was in shock. And here come the Concept School again. They won't get referee waves play on. That tackle was on the ball. The player has stayed down. Referee has waved play on, however. Again, another opportunity perhaps. They're trying to create something out of nothing. Hussein Ali Shah, the number 17. Here's Atif Majid again. This time the shot is wide and it will be a goal kick. Pressure relieved off of Habib Public School. Habib looking to reach past the round of 16 for the first time since 2022, 4 years ago, when they were knocked out in the semi-finals by Wales College, who lost to Cedar in the final in 2022. Here come the Concept School again. Now they are pouring players forward. Minhaj, Kamal trying to get space, but they're not playing as a team. They're just looking to create space for themselves and shoot. Habib have done really well up to now. Both teams on occasions have been guilty of overplaying it, or perhaps underplaying it to an extent. They need to use each other, find space, find a free man, get your head up first and foremost. Habib could have scored many more goals in the first half if they hadn't just had a shoot on sight policy. Another clearance high into the air by the Concept School. It falls kindly. Can they create something here? Another opportunity. A cross in is blocked. Hussein Ali Shah tries again. It's a really good ball. It finds Minhaj. What can he do? And Minhaj has hit the crossbar. The Concept School are trying their best to get back into it. Are we going to see a repeat of the last game? It's a very different team that has come out to play the second half. Hassan is back with me in the commentary box.
Yes, Ahmad, I think Concept are really matching the energy that we saw. Oh, will you look at that?
And just as we say that, just as we were building them up, that's what college football is about sometimes. You let your guard down, you get complacent, you think you're doing well, and then out of nowhere, a goal, really just out of nowhere. What happened there?
Well, that was quite unfortunate over there for the goalkeeper. Just look at that, the shot just went in, and the keeper was off his line, he couldn't collect the ball properly, and quite unlucky over there as they concede the fourth goal.
Yes, definitely wasn't trying for goal, we can say, or wasn't hoping for it at least.
Well, for the concept school, it is a big blow that they are without Sunil, who ran his lungs out in the first and third match, where they both drew against Aga Khan and the city chapter, staging off a late goal against Aga Khan.
Yes, but really unfortunate for the concept school to concede that. Perhaps that is the clincher. 4-0 is one goal too much for them at this moment.
Well, that's the way it looks. We still have 35 minutes on the clock.
Oh,
but,
that was a very ugly challenge. Completely unnecessary. No, that is not what he was doing. That Faizan Kareem, I believe. That is not how he went up for the ball. Ibad didn't do anything wrong. That looked like a move straight out of WWE.
And well, the ref has booked him as well, rightly so. Can't have that in football without any consequence. Take a look at that again. Oh my god.
And that was a challenge that I don't know if you watched wrestling growing up. That's a challenge Rikishi would have been proud of.
I'm sure you would have been proud of. I think we're getting a bit of WWE and wrestling here in football. And with that, Habib have a corner. Knock the ball in. Oh, he's almost glanced against the face of goal. And for the second time today, we would have seen a goal directly from the corner.
Yes, the Beacon House PCHS captain Daniel Ahmed, the player today to score directly from a corner. Here come Habib again. Hamza Saeed, scorer of a terrific goal, the third goal for Habib Public. Here's Dilawar cutting inside. Can he get a shot away? Yes, he can, but it's just wide.
Well, it was a touch and a move, one too many. He had options available as well, but he chose to go direct and it's off target. And now the concept school trying to just play the long ball, control damage to what has already been a very one-sided scoreline here today. 4-0.
Yes, and it could have been worse. I think Habib had a lot of chances, even more like they had half chances, and with this should have created into better, higher quality chances. Looking to just shoot on sight on all occasions in the first half, where a saner head, a calmer head would have been more advised.
And the long ball over there.
Again,
won't really test the goalkeeper.
Yes, no point to that, especially to that. The follow-up from the striker of the concept school, almost bear hugging the goalkeeper, Hasnain. Again, an opportunity, loose defending, and that's a bad tackle. Referee has whipped play on, surprisingly.
Well, the referee has adjudged this to be a fair tackle. And
to us in the box, it looked like a penalty. But here come the concept school trying to get at least one consolation goal. Here we see, that's why we thought it was a penalty. Yes, and now the concept school are getting a taste of what they have been dishing out. Here we see the tackle again. Was it inside of the box? It was inside the box, but apparently according to the referee it was not a penalty, not a foul in fact. I think that's a clear penalty.
now Habib launching the ball forward, trying to add more goals to their name.
पहले उसको पेन लेके आओ क्या
60 minutes gone in this match, and Habib are comfortably leading at 4-0. The Concept trying to find a consolation, and Habib almost enjoying this game. That won't be troubling anybody, and the referee blows for a free kick.
Yes, another foul by a Concept School player. As we've been mentioning throughout the game, overly physical style of play by the Concept School players. Dilawar Humayun among those who have been on the receiving end on many occasions.
Well, I think he has to expect those fouls coming in. He has to expect those tackles coming in, and create spaces here, take the fouls where he can. Because as the main player of a team, you know you will be at the end of some brutal tackles. That's a good tackle there. Murtaza, well, he's adjudged to have fouled the striker there.
Yes, and this is a good opportunity for the Concept School to get a consolation goal if Ibad lets them take a free kick, standing in front of the ball, preventing a quick free kick.
Well, a substitution is taking place, so yes. It's the captain, Faisal, who will be coming off. And Minhaj now wearing the armband. That's a good free kick in. Oh, well, it was just inches wide over there. What a chance that would have been. The clean sheet would have gone. Great chance here by the Concept, but unfortunate not to capitalize on that. Take a look at that. Free kick just lobs in, but no one at the receiving end. And another cross comes in. The Concept is there. The keeper just punches it out. Minhaj is giving a chase. What can you do? Ball goes out of play for a throw in to the Concept. And Habib managed to clear their lines. And he tries to find a through ball over there to find Dilawar, but
It's a good idea. Dilawar is a very smart player. He checked his run. It's a great opportunity for Dilawar. He hits the post. Still, Ayan has the ball. Will he lay it off for someone? No, he goes for goal and finds it.
What a tame shot.
Very good composed finish. Placed finish into the far corner by Ayan.
Excellent shot there. It wasn't at all flashy and all. It was just something that was precisely placed into the bottom corner. And just look at that goal. I don't think any one of us was expecting that. Cool, calm and composed into the bottom corner as Habib extend their lead to 5 goals.
Yes, I think Ayan has been one of the unsung heroes of this game. He's performed very well, very hard-working midfielder. Tries to win tackles, gets forward as well. And here's an opportunity for the Concept School, and that will be a penalty right back towards the Habib goal, going straight towards them. And a penalty has been conceded by Zain.
Well, the Habib players are not too happy about it.
Well, the Alpha College comeback started with a penalty. We don't think it's likely that's going to happen here, but at least for as you see here, Zain almost trampling the forward Faizan Kareem, who was actually playing centre back the whole game, but finding himself forward in search of a consolation goal.
This is an excellent chance for the Concept School to
to
Add a
remember
goal.
the concept of football, score a goal.
Score a goal, and to have the first ever knockout goal in KUSC history.
Yes, Minhaj Kamal, the captain. And it's saved. It's a rebound is still there. Opportunity perhaps. And disappointing end for the concept school. Still not remembered the concept of football. Still haven't scored a goal.
Well, pressure got to him. The keeper dived the right way. It was a low penalty, but the keeper did everything right. There's no one there who could score from the rebound. And it's a short corner. The ball comes in. He tried to have an acrobatic attempt at it. I think that's what can be said. And the ball goes out for a goal kick. And now Habib locked the ball forward. Oh, Minhaj now in possession. And the shot is wide. Concept are pushing for a goal. Pushing for a goal. Can they get it? The goal kick once again finds the concept players. It's 3-on-4 here. Well, the pass not quite as he had thought. Dilawar, no, he doesn't get possession. It's still with concept. And now the ball is with Dilawar. He has support. And the concept cleared out for a throw in to Habib. And now Habib on the attack. It's a one-on-one chance here.
But Anzala has shot straight at the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper didn't really look interested in saving it, but the ball hit him anyways.
Well, I think at this point the heads were a bit down anyway. Minhaj now on the attack. He gets the cross in. He has support.
It's a brilliant cross. It's a brilliant cross. A better striker, better player, and again unnecessary physical contact. Just uncalled for this. Faizan Kareem and a few other of his teammates have been unnecessarily doing these physical altercations. No need to barge into the goalkeeper like that, risking health and injury. He has control of the ball. No need to do that.
And now a substitution for Habib Public. A double change. And now the concept moving forward here.
Winning a free kick, fouled by Ayan.
And the Habib players are not too happy with this decision. That's a free kick for the concept in a very dangerous position over here to get a consolation goal. 5 goals down.
Yes, Faizan goes low.
Oh, almost worked.
It was clever.
And now Minhaj backing for the ball. They lose out.
And again, we've seen this coming. Physical contact, unnecessary. Both teams' tempers are boiling over. We won't be surprised if there's a red card before the end of the match. We haven't seen one today in the round of 16.
And that was the free kick over there. Quite clever, unlucky not to have finished on that. And now a free kick for Habib inside their own half. Goes down the line, plays it short, but it's cleared out for throw in inside Concept's half. And the throw in comes in. Can he cross the ball in? No, he's offside. The Concept launching the ball forward, trying to test the Habib defense, trying to break it through a long ball over here. Well, Minhaj is there. Is he onside? No, he's not onside. Minhaj was off in the initial play. He looks to be down in some pain over here. I think it was that collision with the defender. And the medic is being called on. It does look like a very nasty. Well, he fell down on his ankle. And he's been clutching it in pain. Looks quite nasty from here. Let's hope it isn't too serious and that he can continue playing. Once again, this was the challenge here. But since the offside was already called, there was nothing to be called for this challenge. And in our last match of the day, the Concept are now trailing Habib Public 5-0. We had 3 other matches. Arguably the most interesting one was Aga Khan Karimabad and Alpha College, where Alpha were down 3-0 at half time. And an inspired team came out in the second half, scoring 3 goals, and Musab, the hero of the first half, with his multiple saves, was the ultimate hero in the penalty shootout with 2 saves. What a match we've had here today, and we've got quite an interesting number of matches tomorrow as well. The defending champions Mixer will be in action as well. And with that, play has restarted. Habib looking to add to their tally. Dilawar is there on the line, playing inside towards the center, and the ball goes out for a throw-in. Concept with the throw. Habib will be playing the winner of Mixer College and Cedar College PCHS. So, and well, Dilawar's through over here into a wall of the Concept players, and the shot is straight at the goalkeeper.
Yes, really good footwork at the end. After good work by Dilawar, the captain. Hussain Mujtaba, the substitute, who's come on and had that effort on goal. Here he is in possession again, laying the ball off really smartly. Here comes Mudassir. Tries to find a teammate.
Well, the pace of the match has gone down a bit after that 5th goal.
Yes, I think the Concept School now look deflated.
And
The
doing a bit-
forwards are still trying.
Habib would still like to add a couple of goals to their tally here. And Concept here once again with the long ball, trying to find a man down there in Habib's half. And almost found someone there. Will they take a shot? Was a miscued clearance there at first and then cleared properly. And now Concept once again in possession. Well, he plays an excellent through ball down the left hand side. Can he keep the ball in? He cannot, as the ball goes out of play for a goal kick to Habib into the final 15 minutes of this half and of this match. Habib 5, the Concept School 0.
And that is us, your commentators for today and for the remainder of the KUSC knockout stages.
Definitely. And I think so far we're doing quite a decent job here, wouldn't you agree?
Hopefully everybody agrees as well.
Hopefully, yes. Hopefully, yes.
I'm sure there will be someone in the comments telling us how bad of a job we're doing.
Well, let's leave it at that. The Concept School now doing a lot of damage control here and looking for a consolation, but that was off target. And the goal kick to Habib, restarting play. Almost treating this match like a friendly right now, the way the teams are playing.
Yes, very true. The intensity has dropped off since the 4th and 5th goals. And it's just about giving the substitute some minutes for when it comes to Habib. And of course, adding to the score line if possible, which is on the mind of the captain, Dilawar Humayun, right now. But he is unable to keep the ball in play or win a free kick.
Well, it's been an excellent run here for the Concept so far. They were the underdogs in their group. They drew level with the City Chapter PF. They won against Alpha High and they drew against Khan Karimabad to secure qualification. They can be proud of the way they've played so far. Quite unlucky that one of their best players, Sunil, picked up 2 yellow cards in the group stages and is unavailable for this match.
Yes, unlucky for the Concept School to be missing their captain Sunil. But a very proud achievement nonetheless to be reaching the round of 16 stage in your very first try. In recent years we've seen different colleges, different schools come up and make history, their own history, by reaching the knockout stages. KPS last year reaching the round of 16. Generations, of course, reaching the semis. And now here's a chance for Dilawar if he can find a finish.
Well, he went for the shot himself. He had an extra option open there, but decided to go himself.
Hello. 1, 2, 3, man.
Notable names here who are very unlucky to miss out on qualification this year, finishing in 3rd behind Beacon House and Lyceum. Although they put it in a valiant effort, drawing with Lyceum and losing 3-2 to Beacon House. now Habib. Well, the player goes down under the challenge. And Habib have a free kick. They'd want the substitutes to get on those minutes. They'd want the senior players to try and play their game, because it's now about now it's all about focusing on the next game. It's good to see that the concept has not yet fully gone off. They're still trying to push for that goal over here and not just sitting back and doing damage control fully. And that touch could give concept something. Minhaj down the left hand side. Can he put in a cross? Well, he put it out for a throw in. Concept of a throw.
Yes, Minhaj has indeed worked very, very hard for his team. And again, this refusal to pass the ball and just hold on to it for no real reason.
Well, that's not the way football is played, Ahmad. You have to pass the ball. You can't just run alone with the ball over
Yes.
here.
In other terms, that's not the concept of football.
That's not the concept of football. That is right. And here's Dilawar trying to cut in and weave out, and his shot. Well, it's not even goal side. It's gone all the way to to the other side for a
Yes.
throw in.
That tells you about how this match has gone.
Well, it's a lot of individuality that we're seeing here, especially at this level. After all, football is a team game, and you need to make sure that all 11 players are there, and it's not just
Yes,
one or two
100%.
players.
I think the team that wins KUSC will be a team. It will not be a team dependent on individual moments.
Absolutely. Individual moments can only take you so far. And well, two Habib players are standing unmarked here, but the free kick, the foul, is against Habib. The final 10 minutes, and the ball comes in. Can he chip it? He can't. The keeper comes out of his line, collects the ball, launches it forward. He finds Dilawar there. And that's a pull, and Dilawar pushes him a bit. He has to keep his cool. Concept launching the ball forward. And Minhaj now through on goal. And it's an excellent save there by the goalkeeper. And the Concept denied once again.
Yes, Habib are insistent that they will keep a clean sheet. Hasnain in goal, doesn't want to concede.
Well, the way he has played so far has been excellent, saving a penalty. There's a good save here. The corner comes in.
Atif Majid going up. 4 players at the far post. Nobody communicating with each other.
And take a look at that. Hasnain coming out. Excellent game sense. Excellent presence of mind over here. Habib launched the ball forward. The defender has a touch to it. And the concept knock it back into Habib's half. Concept in possession. He takes a shot from long range, but it's off target.
Yes, that's what they are being reduced to, the concept school, and that's what it's come down to at this moment. There's very little thought about team play and using the principles, using the concepts, pun intended, of football to create a goal. Here comes Khizr, one of the substitutes, down to the another substitute, Mudassir, as the Habib Public kids, O-level kids, try to get their name on the score sheet.
Well, they have just 5 minutes to do that. 5 minutes to do that. A corner kick to Habib in this stage. They themselves are taking their time as well. A short corner. Concept not really clearing it properly, and it's gone over the head of the keeper for a goal kick.
Yes, a decent attempt by the substitute Khizr.
Well, Ahmed, what do you think about the teams that played today? Do you think anybody has it in them to go all the way?
I think, as we were talking before, what we have seen today, a lot of individuality, a lot of moments of madness or moments of magic. It'll be interesting to see how the remaining 8 teams from tomorrow play, because it might be likely that the best team comes from that side of the bracket.
Yes, from tomorrow's matches, we do have a lot of favorites playing tomorrow. Nixer, Wales, Cedar DHA, Karachi Grammar School. And if Alpha play the way they played today, I think they can be a true contender. Trader putting in a very decent performance. Scepter as well. But it remains to be seen how they face off in the next round.
I think the winning team will be a team. They will be playing as a team. They will be attacking together as a team. They will be playing as a collective. What we've seen today in the 4 moments is a heavy reliance on individual players, and pass it to them, and inshallah.
Well, yes, and a lot of use of the long balls and hoping to
Absolutely.
catch out the defenders and the goalkeepers with that.
Yes, the winning team will be one with a clear identity, a clear strategy, visible strategy on the pitch, instead of just passing it, hoofing it forward. Here's Ayan, already scored 1 today. Really quick feet, and that looked like a foul, to be honest. We'll have to see the replay on that. But the referee waves play on, signals no penalty.
And now he's given the foul here.
Yes, again, another overly physical tackle by a concept player. This is without doubt been the most physical game of the 4 that we have commentated on today. Lots of fouls, lots of unnecessary physical contact.
Well, he can't quite control the ball there. And it's gone out of play. Into the last 2 minutes plus stoppages. And now Concept moving forward. Is this one more chance for them? We're starting offside. into the last minute of normal time.
Here's an opportunity perhaps. And the referee has called time to this final round of 16 tie for today. Habib Public School running out clear winners, 5-0. The Concept School in their debut tournament. This is how as far as it goes. The round of 16, a very impressive debut, a very impressive first year in KUSC football. As both teams shake hands, and we have a minor pitch invasion. Habib Public School confirmation of the score, winning 5-0 in this final round of 16 tie. Tomorrow we have 4 more round of 16 matches. And we're gonna go